Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss limitations of simple form of radar range equation or failure of the simple form of radar range equation, we can say. So in previous classes, we have derived an equation that is called simple form of radar range equation. So here we have final expression of the simple form of radar expression, that is Rmax, maximum radar range, which is equal to PTG AE into sigma divided by 4 pi square into S mean whole raised to 1 by 4. Here the PT is transmitted power, which is in terms of watts, and G is antenna gain, AE is antenna effective aperture, that is in terms of meter square, and sigma, it is the radar cross section of the target, that is meter square, and S mean, it is minimum detectable signal, it is in terms of watts. So except that is sigma radar cross section of the target, all the parameters from this equation are under the control of radar designer. We can control PT, we can control gain of the radar, and we can control effective aperture of the antenna, and we can control S mean, but we can't control the radar cross section of the target. So if we want to achieve or we want to cover larger distance from the radar, that is if long ranges are desired, for that the transmitted power should be larger and radiated energy should be concentrated into a narrow beam. And next one, each energy should be received by the large antenna aperture, and receiver should be sensitive to weak signal. So these all conditions should be satisfied to cover large range. So why the simple form of radar range will be fail? So these are the some terms. So these fails the simple form of radar to desire long range. The first is statistical nature of the minimum detectable signal. Second one is fluctuation and uncertainties in the target radar cross section, and third one is losses experienced through a radar system, and last one, propagation effects caused by the earth surface and atmosphere. So these are the conditions, or these are the terms, those will make the simple form of radar to fail. So in order to achieve large range, so we need to detect the target or detect the echo signal from the target without noise.